ointments and creams that I use on my daughter. And also I wanted to let you know what helps a kid. But these brands are specific to US. Some of them are Indian brands, but I'm not sure if you get the US brands in India. So I'm sorry if it doesn't help the US folks, but I hope most of the US people will be helpful with this. So let's start with the everyday lotion. So I use the California Baby, and this was recommended when I gave birth to my child. She's 3 years old, and when I gave birth to her, that's when I knew about this from one of my friend. And so she told me to use this, and I tried and tested. It's tried and tested, and it works wonders. I promise you, this brand is really very good. And California Baby creams are very good. You have a wide range of them. You have sensitive skin. You have so many other, like I use the shampoo, for my daughter I use the shampoo, I use the conditioner, I use the cream, and it's really very nice. It's USDA certified. It's the brand name is, again, I would say it's California Baby. And along with it, I don't use this alone. So what I do is, I'm being a desi, I I actually mix a little bit of Boroplus or a little bit of Borolin on my palm. I take this a little bit, pump it, and add a little bit of Borolin or antiseptic Boroplus, and that's when I apply it on my daughter's face or body. It really works wonders that way, because the dryness and the heat in Texas is like extremely high, and only applying this lotion is not working out for my kid. So I've tried this, and I've been using these since my childhood, and I know they are very good creams. They give a little bit of oily thing, so it's very good. It's protects you from the hard rash, sun, and as well as winters. And on after I apply all these three, what I do is I apply sunscreen lotion by Baby Bum. This is really tested by me, and it's tested on my daughter, and it works wonders. It's very nice. It's 50 SPF because of the heat, level of heat that we have in Texas. It's water resistant, and also it is vegan. So it's very good. I've really tried this. It works very well. Even I can use it. Anybody can use it, but it works very well for my daughter. So I apply these, and then I apply on top of that this one when she has a splash day in the daycare, or she's going out anywhere to play or anything. This is the one. This works wonders. Now, coming to the this particular brand, this is one, the pediatrician had recommended this to us. It's a little expensive, but it's very good. It is a big bottle that it comes, and it has a pump, and it comes for like so many years. I've been using it for 1 year now. So this one is actually insect repellent. It can repellent. Be basically helps from all type of mosquitoes and bugs and everything. So this is very good. Whenever Adya goes out to play or something, I actually try to apply this on all over her body, like face, even face. You can apply it. It is not harmful. You can apply it, and even when there was no corona, we used to go for these national parks and all, or go for walking trails and all. We used to apply this because it will really help from ticks also, because ticks are very much famous in Texas, and some of the ticks can also cause Lyme disease. I'm not trying to scare you, but yes, this is the fact, and this works wonders. It doesn't let anything come near to you, like the mosquitoes and all, and the kids can happily play, because when mosquitoes bite, then Adya gets like big red rashes, and she starts scratching them. So that's why this works very well. So you can also check this out. Coming to the other one is that recently I've seen a lot of mothers on the Brown Unite Mommies pages and everything on Facebook have been asking about eczema, and they keep posting their kids pictures with those eczema pictures. So this one, I've been recommending this to everybody over there, and this is also tested by me on my daughter. This also is recommended by one of my very good friends. This has worked like miraculously, like the Wonder Woman wand, or you can say the Harry Potter wand. This has worked like amazing on my daughter's skin. Any eczema on the tummies, on the hands, wherever the sweat gets gathered, and on the thighs, all those places, this works like miraculously. Just apply a little bit, and Actually, this is RX only ointment, so the pediatricians do not recommend this mostly because of the cost. It is $700, but I did not get it for $700. I got it for $10. Yes, the reason being that you have to find out from your local pharmacies. The trick is you have to go and find out from your local pharmacies the coupon for this one. Also, good RX app is there, but I didn't find it much useful because there it was 658, so I was just saving what, $50 or 40 bucks or something. That doesn't help, so I went and looked for the local pharmacies and coupons. I didn't get anything in Texas, so I had to reach out to California, and there I told my pediatrician to send out a request for my daughter for this ointment, and he was very nice enough to send that for my daughter. And there it came for, when they applied the coupon, it was $65, and then they applied my insurance on top of that coupon, so I got it for $10. So that's how you have to get this ointment. I'm sorry, but it's a big process. But and then my cousin couriered it, but this is worked wonders for my daughter. Now coming to the other one, this is mupirocin ointment. This particular ointment the doctor recommended, but this ointment is an antibiotic ointment. Please do not get confused between this and this. This is for eczema only. This is antibiotic. Antibiotic ointment, this one helped when my daughter had a mosquito bite, and after that she itched and it became big and it became red and it was having all blood and rashes. That's when this antibiotic ointment worked very well on top of it. But this anytime I would recommend this one over this one, but doctors recommend this because it's cheaper and you get it in you don't need a coupon or anything for this one. And but this one, definitely go with the coupon because it's extremely costly. Even Costco gives you coupons, but it's only $50 or something, so it's not helpful. Go for the local pharmacies, search and find, do little homework. Now, coming to this one, I know most of the moms and parents are not in favor of the hydrocortisol. Even I am not. But what happens during the night when you have eczema or anything, or any mosquito bites or anything, any spider bites or anything on the kids, they don't stop itching because they don't understand do not itch thing. So that's why what I do is that in the night time alone, when I apply this on her or the antibiotic, whichever is the problem, I apply very little on that affected area alone, a hydrocortisol, because they can have a good night's sleep, because sleep is very important for the brain growth of the kids. And if they keep itching and scratching and everything, they will not be able to sleep, and that's not good for their health. So in the night time, at least you can excuse them for a week or so, you can apply it. It is not that harmful. I would still recommend this. So these are the things that I use on my daughter on the skin for any problems or any face creams and daily use and everything. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for looking at the tips. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Happy. Bye.